My name is Harshal Vinod Parab, Standard 3rd Division C. Today I am going to talk about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is supreme law of India. It sets powers and duties of government and fundamental rights, directive principles and duties of citizens. The Constitution of India was prepared by the Constitution Assembly. Constituent Assembly is a group of members elected to prepare the Constitution of India. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days for the preparation of the Constitution. Our Constitution is the longest written Constitution in the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is recognized as the father of the Indian Constitution. He was chairman of the drafting committee. Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November and came into force on 26 January 1950. India celebrates Constitution Day on 26 November and Republic Day on 26 January. Thank you.
Ma'am, teacher, and my dear friend, myself, Sharavari Karzavkar from Standard 3rd. I am honored to be here and it's my pleasure to speak a few words on the occasion of National Constitution Day. The Constitution Indian declare India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republic. It declares justice for every Indian, liberty of thought, expression, equality, and fraternity. Thank you.
Hello everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all. Today on this Constitution Day, I am here to express views on the topic Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework that demarcates fundamental political code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country. It was created by a constituent assembly rather than parliament and was adopted by its people with declaration in its preamble. Parliament cannot override the constitution. Thank you to all.
Hello everyone, respected principal ma'am, teacher and my dear friends. A warm welcome to all. The Constitution is supreme law in India. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, chairman of drafting committee, is often called the father of Indian Constitution. The Constitution was written on 26 November 1949 and was made the center of laws on 26 January 1950. This day, 26 January, is celebrated as Republic Day in India, whereas 26 November is celebrated as Constitution Day in India. A Constitution Day is set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. It is a framework for political principle and power of the government. Indian Constitution is the longest constitution in the world. World length is Constitution was written 395 articles, 22 parts, 8 schedules at the time of commencement. Without a strong constitution, no country can become a strong nation. Today we are reminded that we must follow Indian Constitution without faith. Thank you.
Hello, good morning teachers and sirs. My name is Soumya Harin Maiti and I am in standard 5th. I would like to share a speech on Constitution of India. The Constitution of India was drafted between December 1946 and December 1949, the most challenging period. This was a time when riots, caste wars, entrenched gender inequality were threatening the social fabric of the country. Constitution of India lays down the framework defining fundamental political principles, establishes the structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institution, and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and the duties of government. It was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected members of the provincial assemblies. The 389-member Constituent Assembly took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to complete its historic task of drafting the Constitution for independent India. During this period, it held 11 seasons covering a total of 165 days. Of these, 114 days were spent on the consideration of the draft constitution. On August 29, 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft constitution for India. It was neither printed or typed. It was handwriting and calligraphed in both Hindi and English. Since the Indian Constitution came into the act, the females in India got the right to vote. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, respected principal, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Roshni Desti. I am student of Standard 6 Division D. Today I will speak about Indian Constitution and democracy on the occasion of National Constitution Day. A constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. It is the backbone of every democratic nation. Indian Constitution is a handwritten document, consists of 448 articles, 12 schedules and 22 amendments. I feel that the Constitution is flexible and strong enough to hold the country together both in peacetime and wartime, said Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of drafting committee at the end of his debate. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution came into effect, making India a republic country. It was called Purna Swaraj. It was the longest constitution of the world. According to it, India is a democratic nation, which means government by the people, for the people and of the people. There will not be any dictator, king or foreign rule. The preamble is the soul of the Constitution. According to it, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic country. It stands to protect the fundamental rights of every Indian. It is because of the strength of our Constitution that India is the second largest democracy of the world. Jai Hind! Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Heva Gaude from Standard 7. Today, on the occasion of Constitution Day, I am sharing an information about the preamble to the Constitution of India. The preamble to the Constitution of India presents the principle of the Constitution and indicates the sources of its authority. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 by the Constituent Assembly and came into an effect on 26 January 1950, celebrated as Republic Day in India. It was indeed a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality and fraternity as the principles of life which cannot be divorced from each other. Liberty cannot be divorced from equality, equality cannot be divorced from liberty, nor the liberty and equality be divorced from fraternity. Liberty without equality would produce the supremacy over the few of the many. Equality without liberty would kill the individual initiative. Without fraternity, liberty and equality could not become a natural course of things. Thank you.